There is enough in this world for a man's need, but not for man's greed. There is enough in this world for a man's need, but not for man's greed. Contestant Dirish.
Contest chairperson, fellow Toastmasters and welcome guests. What is need? What is greed? Life is all about necessity. Life is all about luxury. Greed is about being about a whole world of materialistic objects that we wish to live about. For a beggar on the street, a meal a day would be his need. But for a beggar on the street, to look up at a mansion and greed for it is something that is not possible. Yes, you can. You can have a desire to aim in life. But with every desire is a requirement, an effort to work towards your desire. A greed is to have an object without a desire. Going way back in time, when you look at a nation such as India is even today having 1/4 of its population who go without a meal a day. What causes this very existence is because of an inequality. Can we create equality in this world? Absolutely not. Because there is a sense of greed that bifurcates the entire world. They say politicians are ruling this nation. Politicians follow a simple policy of the cobbler's theory to tell something they do not believe in over a period of time and make them believe that it is the truth. And yes, we get easily fooled into such things. What is a need? What is a greed? None of us will be able to define a need. None of us will be able to define a greed. But yes, at the end of the day, when we step back and go back to bed and we believe we have done good to this world, then we believe we are being truly human. Human is about spreading peace. Human is about spreading love. Human is about being yourself. At the end of the day, when you walk from home to office, or when you step out and you find someone who's struggling, stretch your arms forward, help them, and that day you will feel better. You will feel better because you're living life in this moment. We all are here trying to have a life. Once we are born, we will die. But while we are here to leave behind a message. Let's lead a life of need, not a life of greed. I want each of you all in joining me in helping drive our world towards being a better place, because I believe we all are special and can change this world. Yes, we believe. Mr. Toast.